So for those of you all who on it, hold on just a second. How do I click that in my ear? Now, for those of you all who don't know about this particular gentleman, his name is Marcellus Williams, and he is scheduled to be executed on today. We're going to talk about that this morning. So, Marcellus Williams actually was accused of unaliving a reporter several years back. Well, while he was in prison, there was actually his girlfriend or ex-girlfriend and someone who was in prison with him actually stated that he admitted to the murder. Well, when DNA evidence became available, Missouri authorities found out that Marcellus Williams' DNA did not match on the weapon, which was a knife. It did not match. There was no way it could have been him. Marcellus is still in prison and is scheduled to be executed on today. Now, prosecutors believe that he is innocent. Um, let's let me see if I have this on here. I don't. Y'all just hold what you got because I want to talk about this. I think this is really terrible because this is an African American male, and this happens so much, especially in Missouri. When I was doing my research, this has happened so frequently in Missouri and all over the country where Black men are accused of heinous crimes and they're innocent only because they arrest them because they are Black. Two, they don't have enough evidence and they get them. And matter of fact, Marcellus Williams had a, what do you call that? What do you call those attorneys? Court appointed attorney. He didn't have enough funds. So in the state of Missouri, they are thousands and thousands of cases behind, which means a court appointed attorney cannot take the necessary steps, cannot do the necessary research to properly defend their client, which means they get accused of crimes that they did not commit. All right, let me go ahead and share my screen. He's supposed to be executed on today. So this is Marcellus Williams. Missouri Supreme Court and governor reject the bids to block the execution of Marcellus Williams. This happened on yesterday, went all the way up to the Supreme Court, and they rejected it. Why they rejected it, I have no idea. According to CBS News, an attorney for Williams argued Monday that the state Supreme Court should halt the lethal injection because a trial attorney prevented a Black man who he thought looked similar to the defendant from serving on the jury. However, the court rejected the argument. Now, the court said in its decision, despite nearly a quarter century of litigation in both state and federal courts, there is no credible evidence of actual innocence. Are you serious? Or any showing of constitutional error undermining confidence in the original judgment. Now, Williams, who is 55, has asserted his innocence for the 1998 stabbing death of Felicia Gale in the St. Louis suburbs of University City. Now, reports state his attorney did not pursue the claim Monday before the state's highest court. Instead, he focused on alleged procedural errors in the jury selection, and the prosecution alleged mishandling of the murder weapon. Williams is scheduled to be executed